What up, peeps? Strawberry coffee coming to you from Clovis, California. All right, so people are always asking me, Josh, what's your favorite brew method? And it's such a hard question because I got these and I got these. However, if I'm gonna narrow it down to one brew method, it's probably gonna be the Hario V60. And I have a copper over there, but I really like this ceramic one. So today I'm gonna make a brew with the V60, and I'm gonna show you what I'm working with. Show me what you're working with.
Just about to finish off this bag of Cup of Joy, Ethiopia, Hambela, very nice.
Side note, Cup of Joy is cool company, local, hashtag support local.
Weighing out 22 grams. Grinding on the Barazzo Vario with a 4M setting. This is pretty mid-level, medium grind.
I can't hear you. And then I like to pour the grounds into this cool chrome cup right here and give it a whisk with this green tea whisker. That just ensures that we don't have any clumps going in.
My kettle is the electric barista.
When I was deciding what electric kettle to get, I ran two by my daughter. This one and the Black Stag, which is a really great kettle as well. And I asked my daughter, which one should I get? And she said, the Rainbow Unicorn. So I love my daughter. Went with the Rainbow Unicorn. Then you're gonna wet the filter. And then what I like to do is take the grounds. I have the AeroPress funnel. Put this over the center. That ensures that you get it all in the middle, not around the sides. And then I take the Mellow Drip and actually use it to create a little funnel.
Like so.
On the bloom pour to 70, then give it a good stir. Make sure everything's saturated. At 35 seconds, I poured at 200 grams of water. Then I give it a little swirl to make sure all the grounds come off the sidewalls down to the bottom. And then at 145, I poured to 325 grams of water for the total weight. And I give it a swirl again. Make sure it gets all down to the bottom. Even extraction. While this is finishing off, a couple side notes. First, V60. A lot of people love the V60. A lot of people use the V60. A lot of coffee shops use the V60. But the problem with the V60 is it's really finicky. I think it is the best brewer, but you have to nail it. You have to do it exactly right. And if you miss it really hard. So you have to really know what you're doing with this thing.
All right, I'm finishing up here right around the 4:30 mark.
Another note, use cool glass. Coffee tastes better in cool glass. One of my favorite drinking glasses, this is from Dragon Glassware. Get your nose in there. All right, that's what I got for you today. Until next time, peace and grace.